Hey guys, what's going on? It's Sloawn and Chad.
We back.
And we have a pizza, pasta, salad, garlic knot mukbang. And we have a half pepperoni, half cheese pizza, just like a garden salad with some onions here, garlic knots, and spaghetti bolognese. I think this is ranch or Caesar dressing, and then this is marinara sauce for the garlic knots. So we're pretty excited. We're also going to be doing a truth or drink today, which is going to be super cool. We got a bottle of Casamigos waiting for us. Yeah, so we're gonna just like eat a bit, and then we're gonna move on to our truth or drink segment. So stay tuned. It's going to be so much fun. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you can be part of the Win family, okay?
Let's win.
And we're just going to get right into it. All right, I'm starting. You're going for cheese or pepperoni first?
I'm going to go for cheese first. I know you want pepperoni.
I low-key want cheese, but I'm going to go for pepperoni first just because you went for cheese. Okay.
We shouting out today? We shouting out?
Well, this is just from, where is it from, babe?
I don't know.
This is from...
You start one dance when you eat it.
This is from Mijo's Pizza. Mijo's? Oh my god. Isn't that so good?
It's so good.
I'm gonna dip into this, what is this, like Caesar, I think?
No, that sauce. I'll pass on that.
I am such a sauce person when it comes to eating food. Chad knows. I like, literally will drench everything in sauce.
The weirdest thing.
I know. Oh my gosh.
Get it.
So good. So good and tasty.
We got back there. We got that pasta back there, right?
We sure do. Spaghetti bolognese.
You see that?
Oh my gosh.
Saucy.
So saucy. I want some of that. I'm like so happy. I kind of want to dip my pizza in the bolognese sauce.
You want to just dip the pizza all in it, huh? Come on, man. What you doing? Dipping your pizza in everything, man. It's chunky.
Where's the fork?
You put the spoon in it, though, baby.
To grab it together.
Oh.
To make it easier.
I missed that part. Hold on, I missed it last time. Hold up. There we go. Where we put that?
I want some. Oh my god. Okay.
You got Parmesan for this? Because I'm looking at it, the pizza is fire with that on top of it.
What it is, isn't it?
Yeah, that's like some other. That's like an extra.
Here you. Ooh, you want a garlic knot? Oh my gosh. I want some of this marinara.
I like sauce on my pizza.
Me too.
Not blue cheese sauce, but I like marinaras. I like
blue cheese.
I like marinara, like extra marinara.
That's Caesar. This is marinara if you want some extra.
Oh, that's what that is?
Or you can zip your pizza now. Oh my gosh. Alright, so we're just gonna like eat for a bit, chill, like and then we'll get into our truth or drink. This is honestly so good. Make sure to leave down in the comments what your favorite pizza is, because I literally am such a simple girl. But I want to try different types of pizzas.
What's your favorite type of pizza?
I like cheese, but I also like pepperoni.
Seems like you like pepperoni. You always go for pepperoni.
Only because, like, I don't want to spend so much money on a cheese pizza if I can just get a pepperoni. For like a couple dollars more.
It's about the money, huh? What's my favorite
Always.
pizza? For $1 million. If $1 million was on the line,
Cheese?
could you tell the world what my favorite pizza was?
No. Cheese?
That's your final answer?
Mm-mm.
What is it? What is it? What is it? Money, come on.
Something with
Fox
chicken on
chicken.
it? Like a buffalo chicken or something like that? I can't remember the last time you got
That's your-
pizza.
That's what you're going with?
I'll just say cheese.
That was wrong. You almost had it. You almost had it.
What is it?
Chicken.
Oh. It's chicken? Is it really?
It's chicken.
Oh my
Just
god, that's so
chicken.
funny. Just chicken on your pizza. I kind of had that.
Just like a Parmesan chicken. You know what I'm saying? You know I like that.
Mm-hmm. I should have stuck with my first answer.
You almost had it.
That's what I get for being like I try to be a perfectionist. I'm like, I need to get it right. Oh my god. Oh my god. I just need more sauce.
It's fire.
This is Italian dressing.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't know about that.
This is creamy Italian. Taste it. Dip your fork in it and just taste. It's actually really good.
Yeah, it's good for a salad. I put it on
Yeah, on a salad, yeah.
Yeah. I'm just gonna eat it with the pizza, huh?
You want some salad? I do.
Yeah, I definitely needs that. I'm getting kind of full off of this, y'all. I ain't gonna lie.
I'm not. This is really beautiful.
Just gotta thank the Lord for this too.
I know.
Get it up on there. Hey.
Oh God. I made a mess. It's all good. I know no one cares. So watch me eat salad, but
Crunchy.
My favorite salad is literally the ones that have like this type of lettuce.
I can see the same.
Iceberg lettuce.
Cucumbers.
Like a
Tomatoes.
Mediterranean style. But the olives.
I don't really know about the olives too much.
You don't like olives?
Not really. I don't love them.
What? Oh my god. I'm like so thrown off. I love olives. I literally used to like vodka so much because I loved olives. And it's like one of those spirits you can drink with like olives in it. And cucumber.
Fire.
Oh my god.
What is up?
This is gonna put me to sleep. It's so good.
Not yet.
We have a lot to get through today.
Ready to get it started? Ready to get it started.
Oh, I hit a plug. Ride with Pope.
Ready to get it started. Junebug Challenge has entered the chat.
You are so funny.
I'm ready to get it started though. Where that? I told you I was trying to. I was trying to get with the I was trying to get litty.
Okay, well. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and finish this up a little bit, clean up this area, and then get the truth or drink started. Y'all do not want to miss this. Just give us a few minutes and we'll be right back.